You know it. You know it. You know.
All right, shalom, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to my channel, Be Like Christ. I'm Brian. Animal base is the reason I optimize my Huntington's disease, a horrible autoimmune condition. So don't be embarrassed if you have some bad gas or if you smell funny. You can optimize yourself with this diet. I have lived through many of those embarrassing situations, so I know for sure. All right, so you ever wondered why those fancy restaurants serve a fruit side dish with their meat entree? It's not just for aesthetic appeal. There's a science behind it. So today we're diving into the world of food pairing, specifically the best fruits to complement your meat dishes for optimal flavor and nutrition. So why pair fruits and meat? Nutrient balance. Fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while meat offer protein and healthy fats. Flavor enhancement, the combination of sweet, tangy, and savory flavors can create a beautiful, delightful culinary experience. The digestive health. Fruits can aid in digestion, especially when paired with protein-rich foods. The best fruit-meat combinations. With beef, apple. The sweetness of the apple complements the richness of beef. Another great option for balance, flavorful profile, or a pomegranate. The tartness of pomegranate adds a unique twist to beef dishes. Pork, pineapple. The enzyme and pineapple can tenderize pork and add a tropical touch. Mango. The sweetness and tanginess of mango are a preferred match for pork. Peaches offer a juicy and slightly sweet flavor that complements pork well. Chicken. You can have grapefruit. The acidity of grapefruit cuts through the richness of chicken. Orange, a classic pairing that offers a burst of citrus flavor. Or the sweetness and tanginess of kiwi adds a tropical twist to chicken dishes. Lamb, cherry. The sweetness of cherries balances the richness of the lamb. Plum. Plums offer a slightly tart and sweet flavor that complements lamb. Fig. Figs add a touch of sweetness and complexity to lamb dishes. Tips for pairing. Fruits and meats. consider. Cooking methods. Grilled or roasted meats often pair well with fresh fruits, while braised or stewed meats may benefit from cooked or dried fruits. Experiment with the flavors. Don't be afraid to try combinations and find your personal favorites. Balance sweetness and acidity. Aim for a harmonious balance of sweet, tart flavors. Alright, just to recap, we've explored the benefits of pairing fruits with meat and discussed some of the best combinations. So try these pairings at home or share their favorite combinations in the comments. So the next time you're grilling up a steak or roasting a chicken, remember to add a touch of fruity flavor. A truly delicious and nutritious meal. Thanks for watching today. Now don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And be sure to register for my 90-day detox challenge at belikechrist.net. Thank you. God bless everyone who watched this today. Thank you.